In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write and format content in Notion. To get started, open any Notion page where you want to work. Once you're on the page, click anywhere in the space where you want your writing to appear. Notion is designed to feel very flexible. So instead of dealing with a rigid document layout, you can simply click into the page and begin building your content exactly where you need it. This makes it easy to draft notes, plan ideas, or create more structured documents. After clicking into the page, just start typing. As soon as you do, Notion creates a text block automatically. In Notion, almost everything is built with blocks, and a simple paragraph is one of the most common ones you'll use. This block-based system is helpful because it gives you more control over each piece of content later on. So if you're writing normally, think of each paragraph or line as something you can easily adjust, move, or reuse. When you want to format your writing, highlight the text you'd like to change. From there, you can apply common formatting options like bold, italics, or underline, and you can also change the text color if you want certain words or sections to stand out. Formatting is especially useful when you're trying to emphasize important information or make your page easier to scan. A good tip here is to use formatting intentionally so your page stays clean and readable instead of feeling cluttered. To organize your writing into clear sections, use headings. Headings help break up long blocks of text and make the page much easier to navigate. Whether you're creating class notes, a project outline, or a document for work, section titles give your writing structure and make it easier for someone else to follow along. If your content works better as a list, you can add bullet points, numbered lists, or checklists. Bullets are great for simple ideas. Numbered lists work well for steps or sequences. And checklists are useful when you want to track tasks or items that need to be completed. Choosing the right list style can make your information much more practical and easier to use. Notion also lets you add more advanced content blocks by typing a /. This opens up options like callouts, toggles, quotes, and dividers. These are great tools when you want to highlight key notes, hide extra details inside expandable sections, showcase important text, or visually separate parts of the page. As your page grows, you can continue editing by moving blocks around, rewriting text, or reorganizing sections as needed. That flexibility is one of the biggest advantages of writing in Notion because your page can evolve naturally as your ideas become clearer.